Hello, hello dear learner with viewers. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Everyone is welcome to Nematpur Online School. This is Sadiqul Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, Birjon High School, Nematpur, Noga. I hope you are keeping well. I am also well and good by the grace of Almighty. Dear student, you know I have already conducted 2 classes before you. In my previous classes, I discussed voice. So now today I am very keen to discuss changing sentences. After ending the class or by the end of the classes, you will learn affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. Okay, let's get started. Affirmative to negative. Dear student, you know assertive sentence has to form affirmative to negative. So I am teaching you how to change from affirmative to negative. You know the use of only he is educated in the society. Only he is educated in the society. You have J, only is used for person. So you will use instead of only none but he is educated in the society. When you see only the pen is fine, you see only is used for the object or thing, you will use nothing but the pen is fine. There are also use of only he is 5. That means 5 years old. When you see only is used for the age or number, we can use he is not more than 5 or not less than 5. Only in lieu of or instead of not more than at the time of affirmative to negative. So I have discussed the 3 functions of only. Only is used for person, only is used for object or thing, only is used for age or number. When you see only is used in the affirmative sentences, this is for person, we can use none but. When you see only is used for object or number, object or thing, you use instead of or in lieu of nothing but. When you see only is used for age or number, we can use in lieu of only not more than or not less than. So I have completed the idea of only. must depend on the meta. Okay? This is affirmative sentence. At the time of doing negative, we can use cannot, but, depend on the meta. When we see must is used in the affirmative sentence making negative, we can use cannot but or cannot help. When you use cannot help, must be ing with the main verb of the sentences. Suppose we cannot help depending on the meta. In this situation, when we use cannot but, no necessity to add ing with the verb. So now I am going to discuss another rules. Sometimes we see he is to fill to walk. This is also affirmative sentence. In case of doing negative, this is affirmative form, and doing negative form we can use he is so tell. Subject must be double, that he cannot. Oh, when I see using of to and to in case of affirmative form, for the negative we can write down instead of to, so, and to, that, extra subject and additional cannot or may not, could not or might not, according to the tenses. Dear student, I am going to discuss another rules. He is the best player in the team. In the team, he is the best player in the team. When we see the use of superlative degree in case of affirmative sentence, we must do for the negative positive degree. Suppose the, no other, and the last part of superlative form, no other player in the team is as or so good as he. Sometimes we see affirmative sentence with superlative degree. At the time of making negative form, we can use it into positive degree. That means no other player in the team is as good as he or is so good as he. Dear student, I am going to discuss another rule. That means I have a few friends. I have a few friends. When we see use of a few in the time of affirmative form or affirmative sentence, we can use I have not many friends. If you equal to not many for the negative form. I have a few friends. That means I have not many friends. Okay? Sometimes we see another rules is used to make. Suppose we have a little rice in the pot. When you see a little is used for making affirmative sentence, we can use for the negative mass. That means we have not mass rice in the pot. A little, not mass for negative, affirmative to negative. Dear student, I think you are enjoying the class. You are learning the classes, a lot of information. So now I am going to discuss another rules from affirmative to negative. Suppose everybody hates a wicked person. You know, this is very common thing. Everybody hates a wicked person. That means everybody hates a bad person or wrong person. In this time, for making negative, we can use every equal to there is no plus body, but the next part of the sentences. A wicked person. Every equal to there is no and but for making negative. Everybody hates a wicked person. For making negative, there is no body, but hates a wicked person. So now I am going to discuss another rules. Sometimes we see universal truth or habitual fact. Some of the sentence includes of them or it. Suppose H-E-A-L is health is wealth. Health is wealth. Actually, this is universal truth. Health is equal to wealth. Health equal to wealth. At that time, we can use to negative form, negative and interrogative. Suppose isn't health wealth. For more example, suppose unity is strength. NGTAS. Unity is strength. In this situation, which is unity, that is strength. That means unity, it is unity, which is strength. This is universal truth. So to make negative form, we can use it negative interrogative. In agent, unity strength, strengths. Okay? We can make these sentences from affirmative affirmative to negative, negative interrogative, because this is universal truth or habitual fact. So, dear student, I have already discussed affirmative to negative. I discuss use of only, use of must, use of. Sometimes we see in the sentences never. Suppose I never love, or I never like him. Sometimes we use never, or sometimes we use always. Suppose this is negative form, and when we make it affirmative, we can use always. I always dislike him. This is affirmative. I always dislike him, or I never like him. Here you see this is affirmative form and this is negative form. When we use never, in lieu of never we can use always or ever sometimes. So I completed the idea from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. So dear student, I am going to discuss another learning outcomes, that means assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative. Dear student, this is very common to all. Before discussing the statements of the idea, we should bear in mind the definition of assertive sentence. An assertive sentence expresses any kinds of statement, or interrogative sentences expresses any kinds of question. So now I discuss from assertive to interrogative. He recites the Holy Quran every day. This is assertive sentence. So now to make interrogative sentence, helping verb must be added before the subject. This is present indefinite tense, so we can bear it. Does, D-O-S, doesn't he recite the Holy Quran every day? This is interrogative. This is interrogative sentence. Doesn't he recite the Holy Quran every day? So now we can use the sentence in another tenses, that means past indefinite tense. He recited the Holy Quran last day. Last day. That means this is past indefinite tense. So we can bear it for the interrogative sentences. Didn't he recite the Holy Quran last day? This is from assertive to interrogative. Sometimes we see assertive sentence bear any types of auxiliary verb or helping verb. Suppose he is a shopkeeper. He is a shopkeeper. The sentence includes of helping verb or auxiliary verb. So, for making interrogative sentence, no necessity to hear do, does, and did. This will do. That means, isn't he a shopkeeper? This is interrogative sentence because we have already brought the helping verb with NT before the subject. So, this is assertive sentence and another is, or the later sentence is interrogative sentence. Dear student, sometimes we see in the sentence we must depend on the meta. For making from assertive to interrogative sentence, we can use must not we depend on the meta or anything. Suppose everybody must depend on the meta. For making interrogative sentence, every interrogative, is there any? Is there anybody? Or is there anybody who will not depend on the meta? For making every plus must in the assertive sentence, we can use for the negative sentences, is there any plus who plus will not. Okay? In the another situation, we can use, suppose everybody hates a liar. There is no including must in this sentence, so we can make it interrogative sentence another way. This is very easy. Everybody, that means nobody hates, loves or likes. Nobody likes a or in this situation we can use who does not hate a liar. First time I make it affirmative to negative, but the later time I use it from assertive to interrogative. There are two rules. Everybody, everyone, all, at the time of making from assertive to interrogative, we can use it who, do not, does not, or who plus helping verb plus not to make interrogative sentences. But you should bear in mind that the first sentence I have already written everybody, everyone. You see the affirmative sentence or affirmative form, we can use the opposite word of the sentences, and we can make it negative form. But when you see everybody, everyone, all in the assertive sentence, to make it interrogative sentence, who plus helping verb plus not plus the later part of the sentence, and you should bear in mind that you will not forget to put the interrogation mark at the end of the sentences. Okay? Dear student, beside this, suppose life is nothing but a struggle. Life is nothing but a struggle. This is assertive sentence. You must remember it. Assertive sentence all time includes of subject plus verb at the beginning period or beginning time. But interrogative sentence all time we can use to make interrogative sentence helping verb before subject. In this situation, when the sentence includes of nothing, we can use what is life but a struggle. If the sentence includes of nothing but in the time of assertive sentence, we can use it to make interrogative sentence what? What is life but a struggle? This is clear. I can put another example. Suppose nobody kills the good man, or nobody kills the good man, nobody kills the best man. In this sentence, we are nobody, none, no one. And when we can use interrogative sentences, only use who. Who kills the good man? Who kills the good man? This is interrogative sentences. In this way, we can transfer from assertive to interrogative. Dear student, you know I have already discussed many kinds of sentence, includes of many kinds of rules from affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. We can use it in lieu of the sentences. That means interrogative to assertive or negative to affirmative. So now my time is going to over. I have discussed many rules before you. If you are confused to understand the class or read out the lines, you can comment in the comment box. I will try level best to make easy your problem. Dear students, this is my time to assign the home task. I discuss many things in the classes before you, affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative, or you can make it from interrogative to assertive or negative to affirmative. So you will do the exercise from your textbook or grammar book opening at home. When you will feel any problem to understand or to do the exercise, you can comment in the comment box. I will help you, I must help you. So, happy learning, happy good day, dear student, and thank you all, thank you very much. Bye.